Hello? What? I am coming there right away.
Maya, what happened?
I've got to go to City Hospital. Take me to City Hospital, please, urgently. Take me to City Hospital now.
I'll take you,
Please.
don't worry.
Hey, hello. Hey, what the heck, man? This is too much. Firstly, you made me wait here, and now you left without greeting. That too with another man. She has to explain this. She has to explain this.
I have to go and see Mom. I have to go and see Mom. I have to go and see Mom.
I may be younger, but I'm not your dog.
I have to go and see
Come
Mom.
on, Maya, pick up the call. Pick up the damn call, Maya. Pick up.
Maya, you...
I've got to go and see Mom. I've got to go and see Mom. You are absolutely fine. You had a low blood pressure, nothing to worry there. You take some rest and you need to wait for a while. I think you will have to undergo a test.
Thank you, Dr. Dia.
You don't have to thank me.
Being a gynecologist, you're treating a BP patient.
It's all right. Actually, Dr. Sharma was busy with a patient and you were too scared. And a doctor is a doctor, isn't it? Well, I'm really sorry, but you do look very familiar to me. Has anyone come with you?
Yes, my daughter should be here in a minute.
Oh, that's great. By the way, what's your daughter's name, ma'am? Oh, I'm so sorry. I have to take this. Hello? Yes? What? I'm reaching. I'm so sorry, it's an emergency. What happened to you? Yeah, what happened to you?
Relax.
What did the doctor
Calm
say?
down. This is why I asked them not to call you at all. You panic for little things, dear. Look, I'm absolutely fine. I insisted on having kheer last night, didn't I? I had low BP. That's why I insist to not worry about my diabetes, okay?
What did the doctor say? What did the doctor say?
Doctor told me that if my Maya doesn't stop crying over little things, then she'll run out of tears when she needs them.
I'm already short of tears, Mom. And you are not any little thing. You are my whole world. I'll go and see the doctor.
Maya, hello, ma'am. You stay with your mom, I'll handle the doctors. Sometimes you should take advantage of your contacts.
No, thank you. You have helped me enough. Mom, I'll be right back.
My daughter is a bit emotional about me. She thinks that everybody wants to hurt me except her. That's why she doesn't trust anyone. I'm sorry.
It's okay, ma'am. By the way, in matters concerning mother, one should take care of things personally.
You,
Ma'am, my name's Rudra and I and
you're
Maya...
Maya's boss, right?
boss. Yes, I am Maya's boss.
Thank you so much for giving her a job.
It's okay, ma'am. It's fine. You please rest, yeah? Boss.
You see, it is called acidity. You shouldn't have overeaten last night.
And she had also gorged on desserts as well.
Where can I find Dr. Sharma? I need to see him urgently. Thank you, doctor.
As long as I'm here, everything will be fine. Excuse me? Excuse me? Is she good at her work?
Yes, she is. She needs a little guidance, but she'll learn.
Yes, she definitely will. Maya is a hard-working girl, but she's a little ill-tempered.
A little. Anyway, let's not get into that, ma'am.
Did something happen? Look, Rudra, if something happens, just inform me. I shall berate her.
Sure, I'll let you know.
She's very good at heart. Just don't fire her, please.
Ma'am, please, you have told me, right? Now you don't need to worry.
Rudra, people always change from their experiences. Maya wasn't always like this, you know. It's just the world didn't give her a chance. The poor girl handled all the responsibilities alone. Her dad and her brother both abandoned us. When an outsider betrays us, we lose hope. But when our loved one betrays us, we shatter completely.
I did everything for you.
Your prophet has destroyed your son.
Oh God, why is the light out? I am the patient here. So why did you run?
What are you doing here?
Nothing. I thought that she. Who are you talking about? That. Let's go.
You've resumed taking the medications, haven't you?
No, Diya. Okay. Okay, I promise I won't.
Okay, I trust you. There is no importance if you get anyone before time. And there is no value if you get anyone after time. And I very well know my worth and my significance in your life, Mrs. Roy.
When we are broken, we sometimes hurt ourselves while picking up the pieces.
Ma'am, what wounds did Maya suffer? I do understand, but if you tell me, maybe I can help her.
You are willing to help Maya, right?
Sure.
Son, many years ago, Maya
Learned a lesson that she will never forget. That is when you begin to trust. You start becoming weak then. And weakness is the first sign of defeat.
Do you see, ma'am, how she talks to her boss?
Maya, he could fire you from your job. Apologize to him.
Apologize for what?
It's okay, ma'am. I expect nothing.
Apologize for what?
Maya, apologize or I'm not talking to you.
Come on.
Did she say something, ma'am? Actually, I didn't understand anything. Can you please, once more,
Yes, Maya. You have to apologize to him, not to yourself.
You're right, ma'am.
Sorry.
Actually, I don't hear anything. Is there a doctor nearby? Any... Yes, I did hear it. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's okay. I forgive you. Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Let's go, Mom. I don't like this hospital.
Hey, hold on. It's one of the best hospitals, and how can you just take her away like this? I know people here. They'll take good care of her.
That is exactly why. Come on.
Ma'am, Are you sure that she's your daughter? Because I don't see any similarities in you two. You are so sweet, and she. Never mind. Leave it. You are so loving. And look at her. Anyway, never mind. You are the epitome of motherhood. And look at her. Anyway, never mind.
Never mind.
Uh,
Rudra?
Mom, you're here? Grandmother, are you okay?
But what are you doing here?
A friend's mother wasn't feeling well, so I brought
Which
her
friend? What friend?
here. Well, actually, she's a strange friend.
She. You mean it is a girl, right?
Yep.
You come home and talk about it in detail.
Grandma, you go home now. We'll talk about it later.
Come fast. Come on.
Yes,
Let's
I
go.
will.
See you, dear.
See you.
Listen, please stay away from that Rudra.
But why? He's such a good man. He made you apologize. Anyway, I like him. And I think that he likes me too. Yes, did you see how he was continuously taking my side? And he said that I'm good and lovely, but you? Never mind.
My Geeta?
What happened, dear?
My Geeta. I think I left it upstairs. You please stay here. I'll go and get it.
How rude. I gave your mother company when you weren't here. And you didn't even say hello to my mom. Are you looking for this?
I'm not interested in making friends. Thank you for making my mom laugh.
Well, have you ever thought that if you weren't a writer, you could become a gangster? I mean, you have what it takes. Hey, answer it. Your chemist must be waiting for the patient. Besides, rejection hurts a lot at this age.
Where did he go? Did he get himself stuck somewhere after dropping off Maya?
There is no network coverage here. Now she will get worried for me. Are you okay?
Open it! Won't it open up? can this happen? Oh.
Is it getting hotter? Is it suffocating you? Does it feel as if you will stop breathing? It is such a small space. And the light will go out soon. And then it will be dark. But don't worry. You won't see anything while dying.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.